One of the first assignments you'll do is the Learning About Rubrics assignment, which you'll find in Module 1. So let's open that. Many students skip the video and go directly to the download. And there's two ways to do that. You can either click here or you can use this little down arrow. Let me show you what this looks like. This takes you to the Canvas viewer, and this is a read only, so you really can't do anything here. You could go up here and hit the download button. That does the same thing if you hit this download button. So let's download the document. We'll let my virus program run, and the document opens. You'll see this little button here that says enable, so let's do that. And then notice the file name right here. This is the file name that I use. We need to change that. So the first thing you want to do when you open any of the templates is go to page 2, where you'll find instructions with the name of the file that you need to save it as. So we copy this, then we go up to File, Save As. We'll navigate to our, in my case, my desktop and my folder. And then again, there's that file name that we need to change. And so we'll paste the file name that we copied from the template and put in the last name, save. Now when we're back on the document, some things to point out. You can see the file name is changed. And also, this is a APA formatted document, so I've already taken care of the header for you. And here on the cover page, a couple things you need to change. First, you need to put your first name and last name. And notice it doesn't have a comma in there, and it's not last name, first name. Also, you need to put in the date. Once you've got that done, you can scroll down, and I always provide special instructions, so always read page 2. There is usually some kind of content that you want to read. In this case, it's all about rubrics. You read the content, and then we arrive at page 4 where the actual activities take place. Here, you're expected to read this and then answer the prompt. This says, tell me about your experience with rubrics and be specific. So I might put something like a paragraph that explains my experience. Or if I have no experience at all, it says to use the term not applicable. And so let's just assume in my case that I don't have any experience. And so I'd put not applicable and leave it. The next one is describe your feelings. Do not explain what you think about rubrics, your feelings, excited, worried, etc. A mistake that I see a lot of students make is they paste something like, and they say, I feel rubrics are an excellent tool. I feel rubrics help students. But really what they're telling me is what they think about rubrics. They're not telling me how they feel. I want to know, how do you feel? And so that would look something like this. Feel excited. Now we can scroll down to activity 2. In activity 2, it says specifically to put in the points. Right here it says total points only. Do not use percentages or provide any other details. But I often see students will do this. Tell me the 100% and they'll explain what they did. And that's incorrect. All I'm looking for here is what you believe you've earned. And I think that I followed all the instructions and met all the rubric requirements, so I'm going to put in 30 points, which is the maximum. Then I can save it and close it. And now I can go in and I can submit that assignment. So I click Start Assignment. I go to the file upload and I choose the file. And since I've saved it on my device, I'll go there. And now I can either double click here or hit open. I'll double click. places it here ready to upload, and then I can just submit the assignment. And you'll know that you have submitted the assignment because this will change to submitted, and you'll see this changes to new attempt in case you want to resubmit the assignment. And there you have it, how to submit the Learning About Rubrics assignment.